Here are the answers that I got. The length method returns the number of individual characters in the string. There were 7. The substring method extracts a substring that sits inside the bigger string. In our case, it extracted this string. Whenever you want to extract substrings, you have to understand how the positions in a string are numbered. In Java, the initial position is 0. That may sound strange, but it's actually pretty useful. And then it goes from there. The string has length 7, and the positions in it are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 7 positions. Now, in the substring here, you see this 3 here. That is the position of the first character that we want to include in the substring. The 7 here is the first position that we don't want to have anymore. We don't want position 7. In fact, there is no position 7. We want the ones from 3 to 6. That sounds a bit odd to most people when they see it the first time, but there is an advantage. When you subtract these two numbers, 7 minus 3, that's 4, and that's the length of the substring that you're extracting. The next method here, the indexOf method, finds the position of a given character. So over here, I want to know where does the C occur for the first time, and it'll go through and say that's at position 3. And finally, you've already seen this plus operator in lesson 2. It takes two strings and glues them together, or as we like to say in programmingese, it concatenates them. So here is the concatenation of hello and Udacity. Notice there's no space in between because there was no space in either this or that string. If you wanted a space, you'd have to add a space. Strings are really useful when you work with text. Sarah has a couple of nifty exercises prepared for you where you get to work with a rather long text and take it apart and put pieces back together by using some of the string methods that you've seen here. Enjoy.